If you type, for example, few days of the week, and when you drag this down, you will get all the days of the week automatically. Let's say you have got your own list and you use it frequently. Instead of typing it manually every time, you can create your own custom list. Let's say it is your list. Go to File, Options, select Advanced, scroll down, and go to Edit Custom List. You can either enter your list items directly in the List Entries box here, separating each item with a comma, or you can press Enter after each item. There is another possibility. You can import a list from cells. And this is what we will do now. So go to Entries box, select all your items, and press Import. Now you have got your own list with all your items. Press OK and confirm again. And now what you need to do, you just need to type A, B, C, drag this down, and Excel will recognize your list.